Hey, how's it going out there, everybody? Got a short video I'm going to try to do here on the Y2K Stang. Need a shifter boot, and so I went to the wrecking yard this morning and I found one off a V6 car. Got the boot. If you notice, it's got the cigarette lighter there, but the GT has a traction control switch. So what I'm going to do is take the boot off of this one. I'm going to have to melt all these little fasteners off. They just melted some pegs over on it, and put it on my insert. Also got the correct shift knob. Get rid of that long shifter there. I'm kind of getting used to it a little bit, but I'm gonna pull it off and see if I like the regular one better. So anyway, to take that off, you got these little push clips on each side. Get up there a little closer, maybe you can see them. I believe there's 4, maybe 5. That one might be broken off. I don't know. I'll pull mine off and see, but it pulls straight up. So let me position the camera, see if I can do that real quick. Forgive me, it's kind of hard doing this in the car. Let's see if that'll work. Okay, that seems to work good. Reach down in here, pull straight up. Seems to be working. Okay, got the e-brake on. Put it in neutral. There we go. Okay, I'll pause out here and get all this stuff disconnected to where I can get it out and work on it a little bit better. So I'll pause out here and pause back in when I get to that point. Okay, I'm getting ready to take this metal frame off that holds the boot. And what I'm going to do, or what you can do, I've got one of these butane torches that put quite a bit of heat on there, so you got to be careful you don't burn the boot. And then I've also got a soldering iron that I'm going to probably wind up using. I just wanted to show different ways you can do this. So put this on the low setting, this particular one. Get it hot, and then I use a flat blade screwdriver and just melt those little tabs up. Stay away from your material and try not to get it too hot. And just bend those back up. Okay, next I'm going to try my soldering iron. It's warming up. Gotta love those diesels, right? Power stroke. Okay, now I'm going to try my soldering iron. It's been warming up. I'll try to get one to where I can get you in the shot without hitting the camera. The thing about using your soldering iron, you're going to get plastic all over it, and then the next time you want to use it to solder with, it's all filthy with plastic, so you have to clean it off when you get done. I just got this little cheap $5 soldering iron. I got my good one in the toolbox. And I could actually, since I'm not saving this bezel, I could actually just break these off and not worry about it. But I just want to show how you take off your other one on your good boot, or the one you want to put it on. In fact, some of these may not work. Might wind up having to use an epoxy or a hot glue to install this back. But anyway, I think the soldering iron might be the way to go. Get it hot and then use a screwdriver to take the heat off so you don't get it all boiled up and crappy where you can't use it again. Still want to be careful not to hit your material because you can burn it. After you get that all done, you can take a pair of needle nose, squeeze it together until it cools. Because if you notice, these slots, they're slotted in the metal. So if you squeeze them with a pair of needle nose, it'll help conform it so they'll slide out easier. Alright, I'm going to get that done and then I'll pause back in. Alright, back again. Kind of back up a little bit, backtrack. I got the piece set in my vise with a rag, just snugged it up in there to hold it in place while I work on it. And what I did when I took the old one off, I marked an F on there for front, make sure I don't get it in backwards. Probably won't fit in backwards, but got this little cutout here that kind of goes with this cigarette lighter attachment. Another cutout here for the fastener on both sides. But anyway, I just marked it with an F there for front, to mark the front. So as you can see, all of my tabs on this inserts, they're all busted off, so I'm gonna hot glue them. I don't want to epoxy them, I don't think, in case I ever have to take it off again. Hot glue will be similar to what I just done taking it apart. So I got my hot glue gun, make sure it gets all the way up to temperature because it's got a lot of area to cover before it sets up. So what I've got, half of these, they're broken off flush with the framework here, and on this side they're kind of below flush. So I'm going to put a dab of hot glue on every one of those, put it in, and then I think I'll take my hot glue gun and just squirt some down below here, fill it up and cap it. So got my glue gun, hopefully it's up to temperature good enough. So I'm going to try to do this as quick as I can. Build it up a little bit. Alright, that's all I can do on this side. Put it on. I test fit it and it kind of snapped into place for me, so it's good there. Well, it's still hot, squirt a little down in there. Okay, I'm going to let that kind of cool off and set up. And I'll do the other side. Yeah, I'll pause out here till I get that done. Got to hold it here for a little bit and let it cool off and dry. So I'll pause back in a bit. Okay, got it all back together, got it hot glued. Seems to be holding pretty darn good. Got all my plugs plugged in. That popped up in there. Snap, 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 snap. She's in. Gear shift knob. So while I'm sitting here screwing around, appreciate you watching the video, and check out my channel and see my other videos. Got 2015 EcoBoost Mustang I've done some modifications on and upgrades. Of course, I've got this car, the Y2K STANG. Go to my channel, check out my playlist on each one of these, and I've got other things on there too as well. Check it out, see if there's something you like, and sure would appreciate you subscribing. The YouTube's new monetization's really took a toll on me, kicked the bucket out from under me. So yeah, there we go. Got this at the wrecking yard, the boot. Got it for $6. Boot and the shifter handle. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.